If you received a copyright email from YouTube, don't panic, you can quickly remove it. I'm going to click on View All Actions, and when we click on that, it's going to direct us into our YouTube Studio mobile app to show us the copyright content that we used in our video. Now, you don't see the option to remove this copyright here, but what we want to do is to go over to our Chrome browser and type studio.youtube.com, which will bring up this interface. You don't want to click on Get the app. What you want to click on is Continue to Studio. When you click on that, the notice is already here. You see important notification. You click on View Options. Now you have the options to remove this audio. You can see who owns the rights you're using. You select options. You have the options to do 3 things, but I'll be going for the one of replace the song. I'm going to continue, and here YouTube brings out all these songs on this YouTube Studio audio library that you can start testing to see the one that rhymes with what you have. But spoiler alert here, if you have words in your video, it's going to replace all that. Here we don't have the option to control the volume, so you have to know what you are choosing. Choose wisely. But for this video, it's only sound. That's why I can easily replace the song I used. I didn't talk in the video. So I'm going to play all those songs and see the one that suits what I like best. After playing them, when we find a sound from the YouTube audio library that we like, we'll click on Add. When you're done, you click on Save. Once you click on that, it's going to say Ready to Replace Song. You read all that and click on Save. Now you can return back to what you're doing. When the process takes effect, the copyright would have been lifted off your channel. Like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Do have a good one.